All right, hey everybody, Tim Nash here from Skogman Realty. Today is a very special lunch with friends. I feel like I always say that, but it is because I'm here with actually one of my business partners. One of the many things I do in life is I'm actually involved in film production, and Joe is the film director I've been working with for how long, Joe?
8 years.
7, 8 years now. So I've been working with Joe for forever.
So this is extra special. This is more special than Stacy.
Yes,
at least, right?
Yeah, well, we'll see what Stacy has to say about that. So today we're here at El Bajio restaurant. It's on 6th Street on the southwest side of Cedar Rapids, and it is an absolutely amazing place to grab lunch. There's a lot of different Mexican restaurants here in Cedar Rapids, but this place has a lot of really amazing stuff. One thing, the first time I came here, I had something called mojo verde. I think that's right. Mojo? No. Mole verde, that was it. So I've never heard of that before. I've had mole and I've had chile verde before, but I've never had a mole verde. So it was really, really crazy. And the food here is absolutely amazing. Today I got chili rellenos. And Joe, what'd you get?
Bunch of tacos.
Bunch of tacos. Like, what else, right? So, but it's over here on the southwest side and on 6th Street. So if you work like at Schneider Electric or you're over at Kirkwood or something like that, or you just want a really great place for Mexican, you want to drive a little extra, this is the place to go. El Bajio over on 6th Street, all right?
See also Taco Bell, Taco John's.
They're right down the street. No. Just stop, Joe. Just stop while you're ahead. All right, but anyway, so today we want to talk about, we're here with Joe, and Joe is actually, like I had said, he's my business partner, and Joe just came back from sunny California. So it's kind of like the young filmmakers. Every young filmmaker has to do it. I actually did it in 2002 for an internship, and Joe is going to be there a little bit longer than me, I think, because Joe's back just for a little visit, and then he's headed back. So tell us all about Los Angeles, Joe. How are things going?
Well, young is a stretch. I'm 30 now, so...
I'm 38, so he's still young.
I've already got some work done in a place on La Brea Avenue, so how's my lift look? Is it good?
Yeah, I can't even tell.
Fresh to LA still, 3 months in, and looking to get that 1 year under my belt before I pick up, evictions and coke habits and stuff.
We're hoping that doesn't happen.
We'll see what happens. There's already been a little bit, but we don't have to go into that on this episode. We'll save that for the next episode. It's great. It's a different world out there. I miss Iowa like crazy. I miss the people of Iowa, but I've had some friends already come and visit, and yeah, it's been cool.
So what have you been? So Joe and I actually finished production on a film about a year and a half ago.
Right.
And that's what you're working on right now, to kind of work on what's happening with that. So the movie's called Spiral, and I'll let Joe take it from there.
Yeah, Spiral's being released later this fall. We're looking about October-ish, and it'll be available on Amazon, iTunes, Fandango now, so a bunch of different streaming platforms. And it's a wild ride. It's not up on the rooftop. It's completely opposite from that, and so I'm excited to unleash it for the whole world to see. You've seen it a few times. What do you think of Spiral?
I've seen it. Spiral's interesting. It's not up on the rooftop. For those of you that are familiar with our work, Up on the Rooftop, and for those of you that aren't familiar with our work, Up on the Rooftop was actually a Christmas movie with a talking dog and Mr. Belding from Saved by the Bell as Santa Claus. Spiral's a little bit different. It's more of a thriller. It's basically the pendulum is swung all the way to the other side now, so it's pretty intense. So, but anyway, I'm gonna put the trailer in so you guys can see the trailer to Spiral actually as soon as we're done talking here, and I'll also include the trailers on all our past films so you can kind of see the work that Joe and I have done together. But aside from that, do you have anything else, Joe?
That's everything. Check it out. I have a couple documentaries coming out as well, and hopefully some adult entertainment as well in the near future in LA, in the Valley.
That documentary. Rob Van Dam. The Rob Van Dam.
We got Rob Van Dam documentary, professional wrestler. Yeah, he's awesome. And Kenny Omega, what up? So yeah, just be on the lookout for stuff.
Awesome. So that's Joe with Backrow Studios. I'm Tim Nash with Skogman Realty, and if you guys ever want to sit down and chat about real estate, if you're looking to buy a house or you want to sell your current home, reach out and we'll have lunch. All right? Have a great day, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye.